COVID closure orders ignored, and now an ultimatum from Governor Cuomo. Good evening. I'm Christine Johnson.
I'm Maurice Dubois. Tonight, the governor says he will cut funding to those who do not comply.
And just another reason tonight that we cannot let our guard down. A dire prediction out of the University of Washington that more than 135,000 more Americans could die within the next 3 months.
CBS 2's Bauman live tonight in Hell's Kitchen with more, including another positive test in the first family. Allie.
Well, Christina, Maurice, the CDC says household gatherings are helping to drive the rise in COVID cases around the country. Here in New York, Governor Cuomo is losing patience with the non-compliance in micro-cluster neighborhoods. He says he's ready to cut funding for New York City, Orange, and Rockland counties if they don't step up enforcement.
King Cuomo has stabbed them in the back.
Former Assemblyman Dov Hikind accusing the governor of betraying New York's Orthodox community after Governor Cuomo threatened to withhold state funding for schools violating lockdown orders, as well as for localities under enforcing. Cuomo's ultimatum comes after 2 Borough Park yeshivas ignored red zone requirements to close their doors this week.
Because nothing else I have done has motivated them. Maybe money works.
Coronavirus cases are on the rise across the country. At least 13 states broke hospitalization records in the last week. A field hospital just opened near Milwaukee to help ease the strain. The CDC says small gatherings are becoming a growing culprit of the virus's spread. And now the nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, is joining the CDC in warning Thanksgiving could send cases soaring.
It is unfortunate because that's such a sacred part of American tradition, the family gathering around Thanksgiving, but that is a risk.
Wednesday, the First Lady revealed her son also had COVID-19 while she and the president were infected, writing, "My fear came true when 14-year-old Barron Trump tested positive," adding, "Luckily, he is a strong teenager and exhibited no symptoms." Mrs. Trump says she had body aches, a cough, and felt extremely tired, but that she and Barron have since tested negative. After her announcement, the president said this about Barron at his rally in Iowa.
He had it for such a short period of time. I don't even think he knew he had it.
Governor Cuomo refused to say how much money he would withhold. A spokesman for Mayor de Blasio responded in a statement saying in part, quote, "What drives New York City's COVID response and enforcement is the threat of a second wave, not threats of federal or state funding cuts." We're live in Hell's Kitchen. Bauman, CBS 2 News.
Allie, thank you.